Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Meanwhile, as the markets and policies shape the backdrop, the jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. The 4th edition of the Silver Show of India 2026, held from June 5th to 8th at the Geo World Convention Centre, Mumbai, concluded successfully with strong participation from across the silver jewelry industry. The show served as a vibrant platform for networking, sourcing and product innovation. The show also highlighted new launches embellished by Swar Zirconia from Swar Gems brand partners Tanvi & Company, Glint by M.R. Parmar, Veliq by Dashrath Gold Art, NMS Exports LLP and Aman Ornaments, alongside a sterling silver jewelry collection by Kavya by RM Group. With impressive visitor engagement and positive business sentiment, SSI 2026 reaffirmed its position as India's leading exhibition dedicated to the silver jewelry sector. India's proposed free trade agreement with Oman is set to provide duty-free access for gems and jewelry exports, a move expected to boost bilateral trade, enhance the competitiveness of Indian manufacturers, and open new growth opportunities in the strategically important Gulf market. SEBI has alleged that Rajesh Exports inflated its consolidated revenues by nearly 15.15 lakh rupees crore over multiple financial years through unverified overseas entities, including its Swiss subsidiary Valcambi. Following the findings, the regulator has barred the company and its promoter from accessing the securities market pending further investigation, marking one of the most serious financial reporting allegations in India's corporate sector. Ekta Kapoor has entered the luxury jewelry space as an investor and strategic partner in Ekatra Jewels, signaling growing confidence in India's evolving premium jewelry market and the rising appeal of design-led, conscious luxury brands among modern consumers. Senco Gold has reported a robust 35% year-on-year growth in fourth quarter sales, driven by strong demand for silver and diamond jewelry, highlighting evolving consumer preferences and sustained momentum across key jewelry categories despite the challenging market environment. PN Gadgil & Sons has increased its stake in PNGS Riva Diamond Jewelry, reinforcing its commitment to the fast-growing diamond jewelry business and strengthening its position ahead of the brand's next phase of expansion and long-term growth. GGEPC has joined the Natural Diamond Council, marking a significant step in strengthening global advocacy for natural diamonds and reinforcing India's growing role in promoting consumer confidence, responsible sourcing, and the long-term future of the natural diamond industry. Augmont has launched India's first AI-powered gold purity evaluation machine in Chennai, a technology-driven innovation designed to deliver instant, transparent, and highly accurate gold testing, marking a significant step towards greater trust and digitization in the gold ecosystem. The Jaipur Gem and Jewelry Bourse is set to strengthen India's position in the global colored gemstone trade, with the world's first dedicated gemstone bourse expected to create a world-class hub for manufacturers, exporters and international buyers, while further cementing Jaipur's status as the global capital of colored gemstones. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news, Signet Jewelers has reported a strong start to the year, with first quarter sales rising as the company sharpened its focus on its core 4 brands, signaling that strategic brand investments and resilient consumer demand are helping drive growth in a challenging retail environment. Angola is tightening rough diamond production in a bid to stabilize global supply and support prices, underscoring growing efforts by major producing nations to protect the natural diamond market amid weaker demand and rising competition from lab-grown alternatives. Van Cleef & Arpels has unveiled its latest high jewelry collection, drawing inspiration from the grandeur and symbolism of ancient Egypt, with exceptional creations that transform one of history's most fascinating civilizations into contemporary expressions of luxury and craftsmanship. Boucheron has unveiled its Histoire de Style 2026 high jewelry collection, a tribute to founder Frederic Boucheron, reinterpreting the Maison's pioneering spirit, couture-inspired vision, and iconic heritage through 4 extraordinary creations that bridge legacy and modern artistry. Bukhara has expanded its Skyline collection with new additions that celebrate contemporary elegance and urban sophistication, reinforcing the luxury retailer's focus on blending modern design aesthetics with fine jewelry craftsmanship for today's discerning clientele. Piccioti has unveiled a striking new lineup of fine and high jewelry creations, showcasing the Italian Maison's signature blend of exceptional gemstones, innovative craftsmanship, and wearable luxury, with designs that place equal emphasis on beauty, comfort, and technical ingenuity. Saudi Arabia has uncovered a remarkable treasure trove of more than 100 pieces of Abbasidera gold jewelry at the historic Diriyah archaeological site, offering a rare glimpse into the craftsmanship, trade networks, and cultural richness of the Islamic Golden Age over 1200 years ago. SIDJO has issued a fresh warning to the global jewelry trade over fraudulent entities falsely claiming affiliation with the World Jewelry Confederation, urging businesses to exercise caution and conduct thorough due diligence before engaging in any financial or commercial dealings. Now let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. Reliance Brands, in partnership with Michael Kors, has expanded India's airport luxury retail landscape with new stores at Navi Mumbai and Hyderabad airports, further tapping into the country's fast-growing air travel sector and rising demand for accessible luxury among global travelers. SN by Shantanu Nikhil has expanded its retail presence in Chennai with the launch of its first store in the city, bringing its signature prestige Pret aesthetic to the market through a curated space that blends contemporary Indian couture with immersive experiential luxury retailing. Ezort has expanded its retail footprint with new store openings in Bengaluru and Ahmedabad, reinforcing Reliance Retail's strategy of building immersive, tech-enabled fashion destinations that blend contemporary style, digital innovation, and experiential shopping for India's evolving urban consumers. Nykaa has expanded its premium beauty portfolio in India with the launch of Selena Gomez's globally popular brand Rare Beauty, further strengthening its position as a key gateway for international luxury cosmetics entering the fast-growing Indian beauty market. Safari Industries and Manyavar have come together to target India's wedding economy with their Shaadi Ka Safar collaboration, repositioning luggage as a premium gifting category and extending the celebration experience beyond apparel into lifestyle-driven wedding consumption. Tatva has expanded its presence in Hyderabad with the launch of a new store on Banjara Road 1, strengthening its position in the premium ethnic wear segment and furthering its retail expansion strategy across key fashion markets in India. India's premium beauty retail landscape has expanded further with the opening of the third NARS Cosmetics boutique at Ambience Mall, Gurugram, underscoring rising domestic demand for luxury cosmetics and strengthening the brand's footprint in the market. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. The Met Gala 2026, held on May 4th at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City, brought together leading names from the worlds of fashion, entertainment, business, and culture under the theme Fashion is Art. Among the many global attendees, India made a notable mark with the presence of Isha Ambani, Ananya Birla, H.H. Maharaj Savai Padmanabh Singh, Princess Gauravi Kumari, Karan Johar, Manish Malhotra, Natasha Poonawalla, and Sudha Reddy, reflecting the country's growing influence on the international luxury and fashion landscape. The Cannes Film Festival 2026, held from May 12th to 23rd in Cannes, France, welcomed acclaimed filmmakers, actors, and cultural icons from around the world for one of cinema's most prestigious events. Among the many international attendees, India enjoyed a strong presence on the red carpet through Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Alia Bhatt, Aditi Rao Hedri, Huma Qureshi, Tara Sutaria, Dinah Penty, Urvashi Rautela, and Kalyani Priyadarshan, highlighting the country's growing impact across global cinema, fashion, and culture. At the RLC Fashion Summit in Milan, global luxury leaders gathered to examine how artificial intelligence, shifting consumer behavior, and the rebalancing of global markets are redefining the future of fashion as the industry navigates a period of structural transformation and accelerated innovation. Hermes unveiled its Resort 2027 collection in the hills of Los Angeles, where they have blended fluid silhouettes, equestrian heritage, and effortless sophistication, offering a fresh interpretation of quiet luxury through movement, craftsmanship, and modern femininity. Jimmy Choo has unveiled a new collection inspired by the British countryside, blending equestrian influences, heritage craftsmanship, and contemporary luxury to celebrate the enduring appeal of rural elegance through a modern fashion lens. Bottega Veneta has entered a new chapter in luxury beauty with the launch of its Alta fragrance collection, featuring 10 globally inspired scents that blend Italian heritage with ingredients from around the world, further expanding the house's presence in the high-end fragrance market. Christian Louboutin has unveiled its Fall-Winter 2026 men's campaign, marking a bold new chapter for the luxury house with a collection that blends heritage craftsmanship, artistic expression, and contemporary masculinity through a striking chateau-inspired visual narrative. Prada's most talked about store isn't in a fashion capital, but in the middle of the Texas desert. Known as Prada Marfa, the iconic boutique has never sold a single item, serving instead as a celebrated art installation that challenges ideas of luxury, consumerism, and modern culture. Dior has unveiled its Autumn-Winter 2026-27 collection, The Craft of Artifice, where creative director Jonathan Anderson transformed the runway into a theatrical Parisian garden, blending nature-inspired artistry, couture craftsmanship, and the illusion of reality to redefine contemporary luxury fashion. Burberry is poised for a stronger growth recovery in FY27 as demand in two of its most critical markets, the United States and China, shows signs of stabilization, raising optimism that the British luxury house's turnaround strategy is beginning to gain meaningful traction. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर.